got there?
They have decaf coffee.
Oh my god.
At Joffrey's. It's a little big. I'm not going to drink the whole thing. But they do have decaf. So I'm a really big coffee drinker because I wake up at 3 a.m. for work every morning. So like pre-baby, like I was just coffee. I lived off of coffee. And now that I can't, I know that decaf doesn't do anything, but maybe it's just the taste. I'm like, oh, like I feel like I'm tasting like the caffeine, even though
there's a little bit of caffeine in decaf, but not much.
Very little.
Yeah.
And you're allowed to have like a little bit of caffeine a day, but I actually don't. And you can even vouch for me. Like I don't have any caffeine at all.
I have a lot.
This is a lot. I'm not gonna drink it all.
Can we talk about how we just met Molly too? Molly here?
Oh yeah, that's right. So actually, wait, I want to tell the whole story. Okay. So in October, when we were here,
which is where I'll show where we are.
Yeah.
So we're right at the Joffrey's. It's right next to this exit for Tower of Terror, right here.
Yes. So when we were here in October, we came down to this Joffrey's too because it's hidden. Not many people know about it. And there's some seating around and all of that. Just kind of like sit and drink coffee. And out of the exit of Tower of Terror comes Molly from allears.net. It's a YouTube channel, so go check them out. And we love her. She's so good. We love her videos. You know, we said hello and we talked a little bit, and that was it. So fast forward to now, we're sitting outside the same Joffrey's, literally in the same spot, and who's online for Tower of Terror? Because yes, the standby line comes all the way back to the exit. Molly. So we got to see her again. Yeah. Yeah.
And I took a picture this time.
Yeah, I didn't want to lose my spot, so Ryan went to go say hi to her, and you want to put that in?
Yeah, we'll put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, she's really nice.
Oh.
Okay, so
Nick went on the Tower of Terror.
Yeah, we sent my brother on Tower of Terror.
Not me.
I mean, no way. No way. But I obviously can't, so.
So now where are we going?
We are going to head over to Slinky Dog.
Yeah.
It says a 60-minute wait on the app, but who knows, it might not even be that long. And yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out too.
Sorry.
That's okay. It's all right. I'm used to it now.
Yeah.
But yeah, I want you to go on the rides that you want to go on.
Yeah.
So we'll see. 60 minutes, not 60 minutes. I don't know.
If it's too long, we'll go on Toy Story.
Yeah, Toy Story Mania is only 25, so maybe we'll do that.
Don't you just love this street? I love it.
Sunset Boulevard?
Yeah, that's what
it's
it
nice.
is. Right?
Actually, I like it. I don't know if they did that on purpose or not, but it's beautiful when the sun is setting. Actually.
Right? It is.
I guess they didn't do that on purpose
right in my
because
face.
that's in Hollywood, right? I don't know. I've never been to California. I don't know.
Oh, soon. One day.
One day, not anytime soon. But one day, yeah.
It's just the music, the atmosphere. It's always the best here. Yeah.
It's actually dying down too. It's a little less crowded than it was this morning. I'm wondering though if that's because I think it's around what, 4:30?
Yeah.
And the park was at 7, or it's because of park hopping. Park hop now at 2 o'clock. Wow. I don't know. Like they're pretty far in the boarding groups for Rise of Resistance
1:30
too. Yeah. Yeah, so I wonder what it is. Yeah. But I'm fine with it. I'm telling you, today is like the perfect weather. Yeah. Almost a copy of yesterday.
Exactly, really.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful. Tomorrow's gonna be warmer. And I don't mind it.
No. Get a little fresh sun.
Yeah, we're getting great weather. I'm really happy.
I'll go on the water ride tomorrow.
The rapids?
Yeah, is it open?
All you, kid. All you.
Little hint of where we're going.
Yeah, that's true. That is a hint of where we're going tomorrow. Yeah, definitely.
Let's keep on moving.
Yes.
Sun is setting on the geese. Runaway Railway.
I just looked over and saw Gertie.
Yeah.
And she has her little Santa hat and ornament out of her mouth still.
Oh, it's a she?
It's cute. Gertie? Yeah, Gertie's a she.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure.
Wow.
Pretty sure. And they still have the tree up.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, they're still fully decorated here. I like it.
Yeah.
So we sent my brother and friends on Slinky Dog.
Yep.
And Ryan was nice enough to turn around and come with me and wait for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway again. What? Runaway Railway. Let's try that again.
Tongue twister.
It is a tongue twister. So anyway, Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we're gonna go do that again, so I don't have to stand and wait for everyone.
I love it.
Yeah, I really do. I do too.
Yeah.
You didn't go on Slinky Dog last time though, so that's why I don't want to like take that away from
I've been
you.
on it like 3 times already. So.
Well, we've been on this like 5 now.
3.
So.
3 and 3.
Okay, fine, fair.
It's
okay.
fun.
App says 45-minute wait.
40.
40-minute wait. So we'll see.
Probably 20.
I hope so,
Yeah.
but I don't know. 40 minutes is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time it said 60 earlier today.
Yeah.
And we waited like 35, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. High hopes.
I hope.
Not bad.
A little bit better.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, a little bit better than last time.
Yeah. Shorter line.
Yeah. Enter here. All right.
Okay, timekeeper.
It's been about 18 minutes now.
Because Kristen did not look at the time when we got online.
Yeah.
18 minutes?
Yeah.
That's not bad. We're almost inside.
Yeah.
We're close.
Yeah, we're getting there.
It definitely won't be 40
No.
minutes. 40 minutes, that's what it was, yeah. No, definitely not. I don't know what happened. We were moving, and then all of a sudden we stopped for like a bit. Like,
Time went up to 50 from 40 though.
well, that's probably why. They said,
Yeah.
we're thinking maybe they were just sanitizing the rides.
Cleaning,
which makes
yeah.
sense, yeah. But we're moving again.
We're in. I'm gonna call it.
Yeah, but you're calling it like on time. 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
It happens.
35, 37 minutes right now.
Okay.
We're like right there.
Yeah.
So,
That's fine.
yeah.
It didn't feel like 40 minutes though.
No.
That's why I'm surprised.
We're moving.
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
I know. I'm excited.
I want to see Goofy up close and personal. Oh, there he is. That's funny. Run him up.
Safety while riding aboard the train.
Always the best.
Try.
Let's trust him this time. I think he might not mess it up, maybe.
What's that? Say it again?
He might not mess it up this time. Maybe he'll be okay.
Maybe. We'll see.
Oh my God, we're in the front row. Up close and personal with Goofy.
Yeah.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks.
Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Vic and Ben.
You're taking good care of our friend.
The water's clear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
There they are. We'll be right down. We have to stop them from moving all over the... See you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and...
Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. Daisy's stuck.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What happened?
Excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's color!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so finding
It says Mickey. Hey, did you know that?
Oh.
We found him.
Joffrey's.
How was Slinky Dog?
Yeah.
Slinky Dog was fun.
Yeah.
We went through a lot of twists and turns.
Yeah.
Not as fast as I thought, but
Well,
on
it's a kid's ride.
Yeah, scale of 1 to
Yeah.
10. You know, we'll give it like a 6.5.
You have a friend in me now?
Yeah, friend and me now, baby.
Well, when you were little, and Richie, who's our other brother,
Yeah.
when we were all little, really, Richie, our other brother, was super into Toy
Yeah.
Story. He liked Woody. I don't know if you ever got into Toy Story.
I like Toy Story.
Yeah. You were more of
The
Mario and Luigi.
Nickelodeon, Mario,
Yeah.
Luigi.
That's
Still am.
That's what Nick was into.
I like when they go 3, 2, 1.
And they launch you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hands up the whole time, too.
Yeah. So
Hands up.
now
Yeah.
we're gonna head to dinner. We made a reservation, last minute reservation.
Yeah.
At Disney Springs. We're gonna meet up with Lindsay.
Yeah.
And
Should be good.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then maybe we'll be on a hunt for a churro or some ice cream.
Again with the churro, Ryan.
Still haven't tried it yet.
You
Got
want a
me in.
churro?
Yeah, Nick, you gonna have one with me?
I'll be having 5.
Okay.
Oh.
Skyliner, where are we going? Kristen's up there. But
Finally
we
here.
finally made it.
Yeah.
And we're going to Paradiso 37. Is that what it's
I
called?
believe so. Yes.
Wanna
that
try it
sounds
out?
right. Yeah.